Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn on autoplay on YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. Okay. So once you've done that, just go ahead and choose any video that you want to watch. Okay. So as you can see here at the left side of the subtitle button, you can see the autoplay button. Okay. So just go ahead and toggle that switch on if you want to turn it on, and toggle that switch again if you want to turn off the autoplay. Okay. So that is how you turn on autoplay on your YouTube. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.